Is it recording? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Hi cuties, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaquise, but you can call me JQ. And if you are new here, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I am here with my dirty makeup brushes again, per usual, and I'm here to do a makeup tutorial for you all using the products that Manny MUA suggested for a starter kit. If you're starting out in makeup or you don't have the budget to really spend on really high-end makeup, I spent about $100 on all of this stuff, and we're gonna see if I wasted my money or if I got some new steals. Alrighty now, Manny MUA started out with the e.l.f. Putty Poreless. So Manny MUA started out with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which is this. I've never seen a primer come in this like type of, this feels very fancy to me. Like, look how I'm holding it. Ooh. My face doesn't, well, it feels kind of like bouncy, but there might just be the black girl magic in me. I don't know. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm not sure if that's how he did his, but I feel like I'm tired of looking like this. So I want I want something on my face right now. So Manny MUA recommended the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil, which honestly is doing a pretty decent job. I used to really love eyebrow pencils before I switched to pomade, which story of everyone's life, but yeah, definitely I was a pencil girl for a little while there. So for concealer, he recommended the Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I'm gonna try to conceal my brows with this now because your girl's looking crazy. I think this might be actually a little bit too pale for my skin. I got it in the shade Pecan. Now we have to have an argument in the comments. Do y'all say pecan or pecan? Like normal people. So for foundation, he used the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I made the mistake in buying these in two shades that neither of them match me well enough for me to be able to get away with it, and these two mixed together are giving me wrong. I'm just gonna use warm bronze and mix that with the concealer to do my above the brow concealer. Okay, maybe Manny MUA do know what he's talking about. Okay, these joints is crisp.
Eyebrows on fleek, the fuck.
Ooh. Like I said, the foundation was just not my shade, so I do have an alternative, and it is Black Opal. Black Opal is so cheap. I'm pretty sure this was $5, and I've had this for a minute, and I still have plenty. Ooh, not that much. You know, I recently discovered that I was light skinned. I know it's not an exact match or anything, guys, but it's better than what, when I mixed these two, I was like, oh, Jesus Christ. I'm going to town with this little ass beauty blender. For powder, I am using the light medium Maybelline Fit Me powder. Okay, so I didn't purchase what Manny MUA used for contour, so I'm going to be using something that I already have, which is the Makeup Revolution Matte Base Concealer Kit, and it's shades 13 through 16. These are on the darker side, and I'll insert a picture on the screen. Look at my nose, like my nose looks literally like I had a nose job. So I'm gonna go back in with some more concealer and just make sure to give myself a little bit more room wherever I need to, such as like on the sides of my nose. I want it to be very snatched. So I'm just re-highlighting those areas. This is the bronzer that Manny MUA had suggested in his starter pack video. I don't normally wear bronzer. I just, well, I kind of do, but I don't at the same time. Does that even make sense? No, not really. Okay, bye. If you don't look like Neapolitan ice cream by the time that you're done your makeup, you have not done it right. I'm gonna go back to the finishing powder and put a little bit of that up underneath of my contour, just to make it like, so we're gonna leave that and let that sit for a little bit. And you can see already that it's, oh, that is tight. Like my face is like, so for blush, he actually recommended this Rimmel Maxi blush, and I got it in the shade Wild Card. It is a little bit deeper than I would normally go for, so I'm a little bit nervous.
A few moments later.
Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade Golden Caramel. So for highlight, he recommended the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. There were a couple other products, but this, ooh, this right here, do you want to blind people? You need this. You need this in your life, and you need it now. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Ooh. So in Manny MUA's video, he used his own palette that he partnered with Morphe to create, and I don't have that palette. While I respect his hustle, you know, he plugged himself. I personally don't consider Morphe to be like starter pack worthy because their pricing is not that great. A lot of times if you want to get a really good palette, it's gonna cost you $40. And I personally don't want to spend $40 if I'm just gonna be making mistakes and, you know, just kind of playing in it. I want to get my money's worth, so I want something cheap. I have the Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Integrity Wild Animal palette. And first of all, this packaging, oh my goodness. You might have realized that my intro has actually changed, and that is because I am rebranding. I don't believe that Manny MUA actually recommended a brush set, but Amazon has wonderful brushes and they're like $6, $7 and they will do just fine. You don't need a Morphe brush to get a really good cut crease. I'm just saying. In Manny MUA's video, he did more like of a really like simple look. So I think I'll just do that. I'll try and be simple for you guys, but y'all know me, I'm extra. First of all, look at this mirror. Ooh, y'all could probably see my dirty room. For the eye makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and use this orange out of the Wild Integrity palette and use that as my crease color. Even if you're not cutting your crease and you have a hooded eye, you should really take it up a little bit higher. It really helps to make your eyes look really big. My eyes are like this size. They literally are so small. I'm gonna take the red and I'm gonna place that into my crease. Right, so I'm gonna take this fluffy blending brush and I'm gonna go in with the yellow shade, and this is gonna be my second transition. I don't know what kind of brush this is, but it's like a really skinny shader brush. I'm gonna call it that, and I'm gonna go in with the black that's in here and put that in my outer V, but only there. I don't want it to be too much, but I do want those corners, they gotta have some depth, you know? So I'm gonna use the same one the same crease blending brush and just blend that out. I'll definitely put the red all over my lid and have it like smoked out. So I'm gonna take this pencil brush and I'm gonna use the two like really iridescent shimmers in here, and I'm gonna put that into my inner corner. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to use that black and I'm going to smoke that out with the red. For my brow highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and mix the highlighter that we used on our cheeks and then the two iridescent colors that we used on our inner corner and see what that gives me. For eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Professional Epic Ink Liner, and this stuff is so freaking good. Let's get the other pencil liner out the way, and it is the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. That's too many freaking words. For mascara, I have the Voluminous Lash Paradise foundation. Let me see what it's hitting on. I don't know if you guys can even see my eyelashes, but they look pretty decent right now. For lip liner, I actually used an eye pencil that is from Wet n Wild. I think it's from Wet n Wild. I will put a picture of it on the screen and link it down below. He recommended the Rimmel London Kate Line, Every Single Kate Line lipstick, and this one is shade 104. So the lip gloss that he used in his video was the e.l.f. Lip Lacquer, and this is just a clear like lip topper, and I'm gonna use this because I think I want like a more neutral lip. Oh, it smells good. For setting spray, he used the NYX. It is a either dewy finish or a matte finish. I have the dewy finish, so that's what I'm gonna use. So for eyelashes, I have the Eylure lashes that he recommended. I got mine in Fiercely Fabulous. I'm hoping these are good, but they look really, 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 really cheap. And the lashes that I normally wear are a lot bigger than this. It comes with this little, it comes with the lash glue, but these lash glues always freaking suck. Oh my God, I'm so upset. But they are easy to put on. You know what, Manny MUA, you did your thing there. You did your thing. Everything here I would use again, except the eyelashes. I lied, except the eyelashes. Never doing this again. I would never put these on, even when I just started makeup. I really like how the shadows blended together. Makeup Revolution, shout out to you. But if you are someone who is either on a budget or you are just fresh starting out, you really don't know what to get, and you want something that's going to be easy for you to work with, you know what? L'Oreal, Maybelline, NYX, LA Girl, Wet n Wild. Brands like that are going to be your best friend. If you all enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscription down below. Let me know what you all think and what you all want to see next. I'm always open to video ideas. If you don't follow me, you definitely should. It is here at callmejq_ on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. My Snapchat is new, so actually add me on there and let's start a streak. All right, cuties, I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye.